With class management, you can control all aspects of your classes. Both teachers and admins can access Manage My Classes. As a teacher, you will be able to see all the classes in which you are a main or team teacher. If there are any changes you need to make to a class, you can click these three dots and go to Manage Class Details. Here you can change the class name or year level and add any teachers that are attached to the school as a team teacher to your class. This will then give them access to assigned work as well. Under Advanced Settings, you can enable or disable different features for your class, including parent-assigned activities. You can disable some of these features until students have completed all their assigned work. Once a student finishes their assigned work, they can access these features again. To add a class, click Add Class. You can click Add Your Class or import your class with Google Classroom. If you click Add Your Class, enter your class name and the year level and save it. As an admin, you can also access Manage All Classes, where you can see all the classes. You can change the main teacher for any class.